How to add the carousel slides animation in CapCut Mobile. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth carousel slide reveal effect in CapCut step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials. First, open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Now, open your project and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now, select the In tab to control how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Carousel Slides, or just search for it. Tap on Carousel Slides to apply the animation effect to your clip. You'll now see sliding panels rotate into place and reveal your video with a smooth motion effect. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the carousel animation plays. A shorter duration makes the reveal feel faster and more dynamic. A longer duration creates a smoother and more cinematic flow. Now, preview the animation and adjust the timing so the movement matches your visuals properly. And that's it. That's how you can add the carousel slides animation in CapCut Mobile easily.